100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, I just learned how to count, 29, 29. All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put together this dumbbell rack and let you know what I think of it at the end of this video. So keep watching. All right, some reason my wife does not like our dumbbells organized like this. So she bought a dumbbell rack. So I'm gonna put this dumbbell rack together and we're gonna see how sturdy this is. So if it's a nice dumbbell rack, I'll have a link to it down in the description in case you guys have a stack of dumbbells at your house. That, and I'm gonna show you how to put it together. What do you think, girl? What is this? Comes up. So far it looks pretty good. Got some nuts and bolts. Looks a lot nicer than the picture. Except I don't think it's gonna fit in this spot. Directions. Looks like we got 6 pieces like this. Pretty heavy. I think this is gonna be way stronger than it needed to be for me. Maybe I can get a couple more bigger dumbbells. Got 4 of these end cap things. Oh, these are all lock nut. All right, putting this together is going to be pretty simple, but it does not tell you what size like socket you need or what size wrench you need. So you could either use a 16 millimeter or a 5/8. It says use 2 adjustable wrenches. Who in their right mind is going to put this together with adjustable wrenches? Not me. Let's put these little rubber caps on these ends, just because I know that's where they go. I'm guessing the like rough side goes on the bottom, I think. I don't know if it really matters. Let's put those 2 like that. You're going to put this nut on like this. Not like this. It goes on like this. So you put the washer on once you get it in there, and you'll screw the nut on like this. And there's probably like a little neoprene thing inside there so that won't come back off. And I'm going to put this carriage bolt, the whole bolt down through another carriage bolt over here, down through this side. So then you're going to want to put a washer and then the nut on. Washer, nut. Washer, nut. Make sure you got this piece in here, like toward the inside of it, not the outside. That's how it'll hold the dumbbells. Let's tighten that up. If you watched my last video, I was using this drill in the last video. I'll put a link to this drill down in my description. It's Milwaukee, very good name. And like I keep saying, these little 12 volts are really not too bad a price. Put this one down. And a washer and the nut. Put my washer on and the nut. And if you're doing this, you should have like a muscle shirt on. Definitely don't look like I did when I was in my 30s. Because I better start hitting the gym. Can't fit my drill in there. Maybe it is 5/8. For some reason that nut right there, I couldn't get that 16 millimeter on there. I think it couldn't hurt to put all these on and just make sure you get all your carriage bolts all in easily, like that one, because I shouldn't have tightened them up. A little crooked, there we go. Well, it looks good. Fits them weights real good. Definitely sturdy. perfect. It looks like it was made exactly for what we have. Now we have 30-pound dumbbells through 3-pound dumbbells, but I have 2 set of 3s, 2 set of 5s, and 2 set of 10s. So if you got rid of a couple of these, I probably could go like a set of 35s and a set of 40s if I didn't have all these doubled up. Well, if you like this, like I said, I'll have that drill and I'll have this dumbbell rack down in my description. Thanks for watching this video. Leave me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.